Curta Trades here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the Muslogy splash guards for the Jeep Grand Cherokee L. These come with 4 splash guards. They are right around $40, and if you're looking to purchase them, you can check out a link in the description. They're super easy to install. You just use the screws that are already in there to hold in the fender liners. You pull them out, pop these on, put them back in. It does come with some extra screws and clips, and the screws are oversized, so if they are getting a little loose, you can put the bigger ones in and they'll bite in a little bit better and hold them in. I found that using the regular screws work really good, and they hold them on there really nicely. And the back one does have an extra clip that just slides right on over the top, but very easy to install. They're about half the price of the Mopar ones. These are about $40 and Mopar around $80. The big difference between these and the Mopar is the Mopar ones say Jeep on the back here. I don't think that's a negative that they don't have them. I actually kind of like that they don't have them. It looks a little bit cleaner look, I think. These do actually match the front splash guards that are on the underside really well. They're about the same color. And the fitment's nice. They don't feel flimsy or anything or like they're gonna rip off. So I do highly recommend these. They're super easy to install, a lot cheaper than the Mopar ones. So yeah, very highly recommend. If you have any questions about them, you can always ask them below in the comments as well, and I'll answer those for you.